Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, July 22nd, 2024, and we're looking to go down with QQQ here in a moment.
Order fill.
Inverted H, wide state. Inverted H, lightning to the downside. Inverted H, wide state, oscillator agreement. 555 inverted H, wide state, oscillator agreement.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 drop. Due to the fact that we got here with speed and violence, I'm expecting some kind of retrace, and then after the retrace we'll decide whether we're going to take our dollar and leave, or this potentially might have enough strength to continue on dropping. So we're going to play it bar by bar and see what happens. And here's our first retrace in the move. Impulse, correct, expecting an impulse to drop farther than that dollar move. Now that we came down to the 36 moving average, which is close to a $2 drop at this point, we're going to see how it reacts off this 36. At the very least, if the 36 doesn't hold up, the price might fall all the way down to possibly the low of the day and or the 50 moving average. As you can see, the 50 moving average on the 1 minute chart is rising, so it might get caught up there. So again, we're going to see how this reacts. Just being patient. We'll lock in that $1 move and then we'll play it bar by bar as usual.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $2 drop, ladies and gentlemen. Now, since we're below the 36 moving average, as long as the price stays below the 36 moving average, there might be a high probability that it'll come back down to this 480.50 area. And if it stalls out there, we'll close out with roughly around a $2 drop. But if not, this is going to be another retrace. So we impulse down, we're correcting right now. If we drop farther and we cross that 480.50 area and go lower, we'll lock in that $2. And again, as always, we're going to play everything bar by bar. If the price drops below the 480.50 area, it will come all the way down to this area. I'll mark it out right here. And that has a statistical high probability we might get there and stall out, and that might be the end of the play. Now, whether it gets all the way down to the low of the day, which would put us at about $3 drop, which we might get close. Again, we're going to play it bar by bar, but the statistical odds, if this price continues to drop, high probability it's going to get somewhere within this box that I just marked out. At this point, we're going to lock in that $2 drop, and I want to see how this price reacts off the 50 moving average. If the 50 moving average holds the price, we might not get to the low of the day. Like I said, we're going to play it bar by bar, but we're going to see if the price can't cut through this 50. Right here is the $3 marker. We might be a little bit shy of a $3 drop. So again, as always, we're going to play it bar by bar. If the price doesn't drop immediately after the next bar that opens, we're going to wait a couple seconds. If it doesn't drop like we want, we're just going to punch out.
Order fill.
And there's a $2.70 drop today, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.